Today I'm going to compare the size of a toddler and a baby in the baby size Oscha Cairis carrier. So first I'm going to put up Adam. Adam is 2.5 years old. Oh, big guy. And he is 29 pounds, which is 13.2 kilograms, and he is 36 inches tall, which is 91.5 centimeters. So he's just around average for his weight and height. And like in the other video I showed you, I went ahead and put the waist belt on. I snapped it on and looped it back through. And I do not need to roll the waist belt for Adam because he's taller. So take it up, put it to the back of his neck, and as you can see, he actually fits in the baby size perfectly at 2.5 years old as far as the panel height goes. He is not quite knee to knee, but almost there. So I would do the same where I put both straps over my arm, reach behind me and cross one strap across my back. Reach behind me and pull the other strap tight across my back. I'm gonna go over his leg with both straps. You want your arms in, baby? Under his legs. And then tie in the back. Now, since he's not knee to knee, you like being in there, Adam? Since he's not knee to knee, I can actually take the straps and pull them up, and now the straps make him knee to knee. See how the strap supports all the way. So he is actually knee to knee and snug in there, and this is the baby size. So you can still get some really good use out of this size. And that is Adam. So this is a toddler. He's 2.5 in a baby size carrier. So that he's 29 pounds, which is 13.2 kilograms, 36 inches, which is 91.5 centimeters. Now I will show you his little brother, Zaki. Okay, now we're going to put Zaki up, okay? Good job.
Good job.
Okay. And Zaki is 20 pounds, which is 9 kilograms, and he's 30 inches tall, which is 76 centimeters. So again, tag on the inside. Snap. And tighten.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened to Reese?
Pull it up to his neck.
No. There's her.
Cross in the back, over his knee,
Hi, Mama. Hi.
under,
What are you doing?
and tie in the back.
Now, baby, Michelle. Smile.
So again, this is Zaki, and he is 15 months old, 20 pounds, which is 9 kilograms, 30 inches, which is 67 centimeters tall, so he's kind of tall for his age, and this is the baby size Cairis carrier.